everyone, Sophia here, and we got Willie in the background, and I am going to pick the winner of the Read Your Heart bracelet. If you remember, we said we had until the 10th, so again, oops, here's the bracelet. It's the clover leaf all in 925 silver with the pave moissanite all over it. It's a gorgeous bracelet, and I hope you like it. So what we're going to do is I have all my comments here, right? These are all, oh, it keeps going. Okay, hold on. Because I was going too fast. So here are all the comments for that particular video. And I'm gonna go up and down, up and down, and up and down. And Willie is going to tell me when to stop. Okay, so let me go back down. Willie, you let me know when you want me to stop. You have to be a subscriber. I will check. And you have to answer the question. And the question was, what is your dream vacation?
Stop.
Am I on the comment?
I cannot tell.
Yeah, I am. Somebody who said that, thank you, a trip to Ireland would be my dream. And the winner is, can you read this, Willie?
Brenda Curtis 7188.
So Brenda Curtis 7188, congratulations, you are the winner of the Read Your Heart jewelry bracelet. I'm going to mail all of this to you as soon as you give me your address. So email me mygreatchallenge@gmail.com with your address and I will ship this to you. I'm going to assume you're in the US if Ireland is your dream destination. Do you want to go to Ireland?
Not really.
No, why not? It's beautiful.
I know, I just don't have a desire to go.
Okay, maybe later on in life. Where do you want to go?
Yeah, I have no idea.
Japan. You want to go to Japan, right?
Maybe. Who knows?
You don't like to travel?
Not really. I don't like planes.
You've been on a plane twice? One time? Twice?
Are we counting like going to and then going back as separate trips?
Yeah, you did two. Disney and France.
Yeah.
And you didn't like it?
I don't like how small they are. Like.
Well, then you have to afford first class, my dear.
No. I mean, like, I don't like how small everything is. Like a bathroom. That's a small bathroom.
Yeah, first class bathroom are not small.
Well,
Go study, make money. I will see you later. Thank you all who participated. And again, congratulations to Brenda Curtis 7188. Send me your address, mygreatchallenge@gmail.com. Bye.